it's the big story. For the first time in history, a former president faces felony charges. Donald Trump is charged with 34 counts of falsifying business records, charges that carry a maximum of 4 years in prison. NBC's Bree Jackson is live on Capitol Hill with a look at what unfolded in court and what Mr. Trump is saying about it. Bree, good morning.
Good morning, Maureen. Well, the court hearing on Tuesday lasted less than an hour, and photos taken inside the courtroom show former President Trump appearing somewhat stoic. But during his public remarks hours later, he lashed out. Following his unprecedented arraignment, former President Trump addressed supporters at his Mar-a-Lago estate, combative and downplaying the criminal charges against him.
Everybody said this is not really an indictment. There's nothing here.
He also railed against prosecutors.
The criminal is the district attorney.
The Manhattan DA's office hit Mr. Trump with 34 felony charges related to hush money payments surrounding the 2016 election.
To make these payments, they set up shell companies, and they made yet more false statements.
Prosecutors laid out a broader picture during Tuesday's arraignment and what they called an unlawful plan to suppress negative information that could have affected Mr. Trump's 2016 presidential campaign. Trump pleaded not guilty, and his legal team claimed their client is the victim.
While everyone is not above the law, no one's below it either. And if this man's name was not Donald J. Trump, there is no scenario we'd all be here.
Protesters from both sides gathered outside the courthouse.
I'm more standing for democracy than against Trump.
This is a frame-up job.
Tuesday's criminal charges stem from just one legal matter. Trump could face more legal trouble from investigations into the storage of classified documents at his home, efforts to overturn 2020 presidential election results, and his role in the January 6th attack. And the next hearing in former President Trump's criminal case is scheduled for December 4th, and it is expected to go to trial early next year, just weeks before the first Republican presidential primary elections. Maureen?
And Bree, can you walk us through where the legal case goes from here?
Well, Trump's defense team says that it will quickly file a motion to dismiss this case. It has 45 days to do so. And in the next 2 weeks, the prosecution has to hand over all of the evidence that it has collected.
All right, Bree Jackson live for us in D.C. We will be following this all morning and throughout the day. Thank you so much.